So today I learned that if you change your oil, most likely the lifter tick of the Miata's gonna go away. So I found out today as well that the previous owner changed the oil from 2021 is what I was told, or what I read when I looked down in the oil filter. I was told it was more recent. I didn't have any paperwork, which he doesn't have every single piece of paper in the world. But when I took it off, I saw 2021. I was like, damn, that's terrible. But I will say, I just turned it on. It's looking good. And I'll say, I don't hear any lifter tick, which that's amazing. So I'm assuming bad oil, low oil, gunky oil, causing that lifter tick. So amazing now. Thanks, guys.